Hello everyone, you're welcome to Mom Health Parenting YouTube channel. I am Dr. Aderemi, and today we're going to be discussing something quite simple yet very important. We're going to be talking about how can I test for pregnancy at home? How do I know if I am pregnant? There are a lot of feelings regarding a pregnancy test, mixed feelings, emotions, anxiety. Some women want it to be positive, some women, however, want it to be negative. Oh, I don't want to be pregnant. Oh, please, I want to be pregnant. So yes, there are a lot of emotions involved. You're anxious about this test. For this reason, a lot of people want to take it in their privacy. I want to take the test in my bathroom. I don't want to have to see a doctor, and I want to take the test, see my result privately, determine if I am ready to share and if not, and what to do or the next step to take if it's positive or if it's negative. So yes, there are a lot of feelings guarding this test, and it's important we talk about it as women, as females. It's important we talk about how we can take a pregnancy test in our own comfort zone. So I'm going to be talking about how can I take a pregnancy test at home. Yes. So you feel you might be pregnant, you've missed your period, which is usually the first sign. Some women, however, test for pregnancy even before their first missed period and it comes out positive. But usually I advise women, wait till the day of your first missed period, assuming you've properly been charting your cycle and you're aware, oh, I'm supposed to have started my period today. And so the day after, you decide to take a pregnancy test. Another thing is, oh, I have symptoms. My breasts feel a bit tender. I don't feel myself. I feel unusual, or I feel I had unprotected sex, or I'm looking forward to being pregnant. These are things you think about and then decide, oh, I want to get a pregnancy kit test. It's important to get a clinically approved one. There are a lot of clinically approved test kits. You could check a drugstore, you could check online, you could walk into a pharmacy, you could walk into a hospital to buy a test kit. As long as it's clinically approved and it has a level of accuracy, you could use it in the comfort of your home to test for pregnancy. Okay, you've purchased the kit, you have mixed feelings. However, whatever outcome you want, if you want it positive, if you want it negative, your emotions are in check. You've purchased the kit. You could purchase more than one. The reason being is that these kits determine a particular hormone called HCG, woman chorionic gonadotropin, in urine. If you go to the hospital, we usually test for it in blood, but it's the same hormone. When your egg is fertilized, when implantation occurs, your placenta begins to develop. The placenta produces this hormone, and this is what we test in the pregnancy kit test. So you are ready. You're ready to check for these levels in your urine to determine if you're pregnant. Your emotions are in check. You've bought the kit. So how can I take this test? It's important for you to wait till morning. That's in the early stages. Later in pregnancy, when HCG levels are very high, even if you take the test in the afternoon or in the evening, it'll still be positive. You should take it in the morning. Early morning urine contains a lot of this HCG hormone, and so when you wake up in the morning, your bladder is full. You could use a cup. You could urinate into the cup. Ensure the cup is clean. Ensure there are no other components in the cup. Ensure that you have a very sufficient amount of urine. You could also decide, oh, you don't want to put it in a cup. You want to pee directly into the test kit. Just check. There's usually a mark of where the urine should get to, and then you want to just pee directly on it. However way you decide to take the test, it really doesn't matter as long as you're doing it the right way. After this, you then watch the kits. There are several lines: a control line, a line for positive, and if this line doesn't occur, then you then know if it's negative. So early morning urine, clean cup, sufficient urine. You dip the test kit into this urine, check if it's positive or negative. Sometimes it might not read immediately, so it's important for you to drop the kit, wait for the next 10 minutes to ensure that you either get a negative reading or a positive reading. Whichever one it is, if you're expecting a miracle, definitely it will still come, and if it's negative, you'll then get to try another time. You can also decide that, oh, you've missed your period, you have a faint line, or it's negative. You can also try again, especially if your period doesn't come. So you can take the test in another day, in another 2 days, or you could then walk into a hospital and do a blood analysis to check if you're pregnant. So you could take the test in your home, or you could also walk into the hospital. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this video has helped you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. Also hit the notification button to get more videos like this. You can also visit our website at www.momhealth.com.ng for all maternal and baby products. Guess what? We have a 10% discount for you for all purchases made on that website. Another good news we have for you is you could also visit Google Play Store and download the Mom Health mobile app to explore all our amazing features. Thank you very much.